Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert an external image and then how to scale it to have the proper measurements that I want. For example, I want to scale this drawing to measure any distance of this island here. Okay, to insert an external image, I will click in the tab Insert and then in this icon Attach. Now I select the image that I want, this one. Now I click in OK. After, I click again where I want to have the image and the scale factor. It doesn't matter for now, so I press Enter. So, for most of the cases, the image won't be with the correct dimensions. If I activate the command distance by typing di, then I will measure this distance. You can see that it's not correct, so I need to scale the image. I'm going to activate the command Scale by typing SC. I select the image and press Enter. I will specify a base point, for example this one, and then I will use a reference. I type R, and because I know this distance is 2 kilometers, I will choose these 2 points and specify the new length between them. I will click first, more or less in the middle here. Of course, this is not extremely precise, but it should be enough for most of the cases. After, I click in the second point and enter the new distance. It's 2 kilometers, so I will type 2000, as I consider I'm working in meters. So here you have scaled properly. I will use the command distance. I type di to check that this distance here is now 2000. With the command distance, I will click more or less here, and then you can see here for the distance 2000. Then I can measure everything I want. For example, the distance between here till this side of the island is a bit less than 5 kilometers. So, it was everything in this video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to CAD in Black to watch the full list of tutorials of AutoCAD. Thank you and see you next time.